I'm Jennifer Thomas, co-founder of KC Farm School, a nonprofit urban education and production farm located in Kansas City, Kansas. Myself and Alicia Ellingsworth, a farmer, co-founded KC Farm School in winter 2018. And so in our 6th year as an organization, we regularly host over 13,000 people per year on farm to engage in our mission to connect to land and soil, food, community, and opportunity. SARE actually gave us one of our first grants in 2021 to develop Lessons to Go. This was in the post-COVID era when we wanted to help kids be able to connect to the farm regardless of where they were. So these lessons we created through the SARE grant supported all kinds of initiatives, science, arts, humanities, and we built it in such a way that educators could access it virtually, do it in their classrooms, do it online. Kids in community programs could do it wherever they were, and a lot of it's on YouTube, so kids can just go access it if they want to learn on their own as well. Well, SARE's been really valuable to us as an organization. Like I said, SARE funded us early in our organization's history, which kind of springboarded us into other endeavors. So the curriculum we developed is still being used 5 years later. It's used in our Ag Explorers program, our Junior Growers program. It forms the backbone of our youth apprenticeship program, field trips, and we just keep building it and building it as time goes by. Also, as the grant writer for KC Farm School, a lot of farmers and other organizations ask me for support with funding. And when a farmer approaches me, the very first place I direct them to is the SARE program. There's always something available, and it ranges from partnership opportunities to value-added production to education, goes on and on. So very valuable organization.